morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Flight Attendant Justin. Today is all about the Eugene Marathon and what I do for work. So I am super excited to take you along this journey. Today is day 1 of 3 in Eugene. So I am currently, let's switch the way that I'm holding this so I don't crash. I am currently en route to Eugene, which I love the drive, if you can't tell my sarcasm. It'll be a good day. Today we are doing a lot of pickups and delivery stuff and just some misc odds and ends. Next week is event week, so, you know, we're just trying to get ready and make sure all of the loose ends are tied. So, gonna give you a little glimpse into what it's like to plan a marathon. But first, I need Starbucks because I'm an addict, apparently. After working there for 3 years, 3 years ago, I just can't seem to ever get enough. Oh, Franz, they're a sponsor. Just working in a marathon life. Okay. I have also come to the realization in the last week that we should just not be investing our time into people that are not investing their time into us. So there is my philosophical daily fun fact recommendation for a happy life. Go with it. Okay, just got to Eugene. Thank God, it's the longest drive ever. I am gonna go into the office. I think we're a full staff today because it is right before event week. And I'm gonna vlog and they're probably gonna laugh, but you know what? It's okay. Here we go. Good morning, everyone. I'm making a vlog, so say good morning to the vlog. Do you know what a vlog is, Richard?
I know what a vlog is.
No, a vlog. Okay, this is Richard. That's Denise. And that's the good old Ian. So.
But he's back in town Wednesday and we're going to finalize it. John has the CMS plan.
Okay, I'm done. Okay, I just sent an email to all of the PE teachers in the district because Krista texted me a little panicked. She said that Charlemagne is getting calls and apparently a few schools are being flooded with applications and money, but they don't know where to take them.
Oh God.
Which is ridiculous because Terry has said you need to have it in by 4/12, and that's kind of the policy. So I just said tomorrow by 5, if we don't have it, then I'm sorry, but you're kind of SOL. So
yeah,
he snapped like somehow in that email too. It was like there was like a sassy snap.
There was a sassy snap, and it's like on the form it says April 4th. Yes, I
feel like I could hear it. Yeah,
and you can hear my frustration starting to come out. So I'm gonna take a deep breath. All right, here I am again, back in my car. Part of race week and the week before race week is we just have tons and tons and tons of deliveries. Everything from race t-shirts to the trail mix that goes in the finishers bags to point of sale stands. Like, there's just so much stuff that's constantly coming in. And so right now we are going to the place that intakes all of our product. It's called Lyle, which forever confused me, but that's the name of the company. So we are going there to pick up a lot of trail mix, and this person is going really slow and I'm about to be pissed. Oh my God, I just ran a red light. As you can see, there is about like 200 pounds of trail mix behind me, and this trail mix is like good. It's the cashews, there's no peanuts, there's no raisins, it's like cranberries and yogurt chips, and you know, I should just be a brand ambassador for Wild Roots. I basically am. But now we take this stuff back to the office and set it all down and then start sorting it, which we're gonna do tomorrow at our Wild Roots party. These transitions are probably really terrible, and like, sorry about it in advance, I guess, but you're just gonna have to deal with it. We all have a lot to do. Like, my to-do list is just growing, so that's what I'm gonna focus on for the rest of the afternoon. Stay tuned. All right, so also on today's agenda was going to Autzen with Ian. We were doing some filming for, I don't even know what we were doing filming for. I think it was Instagram or Facebook. Yeah, the only two platforms that we...
You better know what we were doing filming for.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, this is Autzen Stadium. This is where we are finishing on the 50. Super exciting that we get to be here. It's in 11 days from now, which means that when you see this, it'll probably be a week. I've got a lot of other stuff to do today that I said I was gonna get done, but here we are, and now's the time to do that, so. Okay, and just like that, day one is over. Oh God, red light. Shoot. All right, day one is over. I am going to my grandparents' house. That's typically where I stay when I come down here. It's super fun, get to hang out with them, and sometimes my cousins as well, and aunt and uncle and all of them. Today was a good day. It was very productive, even though my to-do list just grew, and I feel like I've said that all day, and it's just true. Like, it's event season and it's super fun, and but tonight I am planning on working on information for our media distribution list. So I'm going to put together a media kit, and I also need to put together some information for our VIP package. So that's that, and then in addition we have to sticker, me and my grandparents are going to sticker a bunch of bags, so it'll be fun. I'm looking forward to it. Stay tuned for day 2 tomorrow. Looking forward to that. I have an interview with KMTR, which is a local news station, and then we're having someone in the office help us with some data entry, more or less. What else do I have going on tomorrow? Just some other random stuff. I think it'll be a really productive day. Super excited. We're 11 days out, so thanks for watching day 1, and stay tuned for day 2. Good morning! It's day 2 of 3 in Eugene. Today, I really don't... I don't know what we're really doing besides... tonight we are doing our Wild Roots stuffing party, which yesterday we went and picked up all of the trail mix for, and so now we get to put it into little bags, which is fine. It's actually really fun. There are people that will be there that I haven't seen very much in the last year, aka Krista, if you watch these vlogs. I'm talking about you. I have an interview with KMTR, which is the local news station, this morning at 10:30. Not really quite sure what we're going to talk about, but it's going to be fun. And other than that, kind of just dink around Eugene and figure it out, I guess. Just finished my good little interview with KMTR. She asked me lots of questions about one of the programs that we do called 12 Days of Wishes, and one of the girls who we selected to win this year runs for her brother who has Down syndrome, and her wish was for us to donate $321 to the Down Syndrome Diagnosis Network, as there are, I'm probably, hopefully getting this right, 3 copies of the 21st syndrome in people who are diagnosed with Down syndrome. Also asked me other good little questions about the race, and I feel like I got some good promotion in there, earned media, nothing like it. So now I am going back to the office to do the good old data entry. Wah frickin' who. Song really takes me back to summer of 2018, driving to my super fun internship at the airlines. PTSD. All right, so we are about well, this is the almost end of day 2, and I am finally excited to report that I got some stuff done on my to-do list. Probably because no one else is in the office and I've had time to just kind of plow through some things. Our registration for the kids run is closing tonight at 11:59 because we have so many kids. I think we're at 1,000 runners right now. So I'm super excited that, you know, we get to push that communication out and deal with that. Right now, I wanted to give you a little tour of the office. So this is our office. It is very cluttered and busy right now just because we have so much stuff as we get ready for race day, but this is my desk. This is where I work away. Love my little bib numbers. I am definitely a J diva, so very fitting. And I think you saw some of this yesterday. All of the trail mix that we picked up yesterday that's in that room over there will be transferred into these boxes that we will then take to Autzen Stadium. So right now I am off to Costco, and then I'm gonna go to Papa's Pizza to pick up some pizzas for our Wild Roots stuffing party tonight. There's about to be 20 people in here, which is a ton of people, and it's gonna get super hot, but it's fun. It's once a year, and it's gonna be really good to see all of these people. So can't wait, looking forward to it. And I hope there's good samples at Costco because I'm starving. I need to eat still, but that's my own fault. Inside Costco. I love Costco, but at the same time, I hate it. Well, I have a little update on an injury that I just suffered from. If you can't tell, so I was unloading the Sprite, which I wasn't going to get in the first place, but it just sounded really good. Unloading it into my car and dropped it, and it tore my nail off. Can you see that? I'm probably being a little dramatic. Okay. There, that's a good angle. So that's what we're currently dealing with. I have contemplated going to urgent care, but I think my mom would be mad at me. Well, I'm paying my own copay, so I can just go and do whatever I want, I think. So yeah, love that for me. Taking all of this stuff back to the office to unload it and get ready for the Wild Roots party. Going to see my favorite intern ever, Sophie, and we are going to get the pizza. Honestly, don't know how this vlog is going to turn out. Hoping for like a 7.5 out of 10 and 10 subscribers from this vlog, but high hopes. So pray for me. I gave you. Oh, Courtney's calling me. Crap. Goodness.
Hi, Sophie Clue here, communications intern. We are bagging Wild Roots trail mix for the Eugene Marathon.
Why don't you give us a little demonstration of how this works?
So what you do is you take the bag of 100. You open it, you grab one of the 100 bags in the bag of 100. You open it, and fill it with maybe 3 ounces.
That looks like a little much, to be honest.
Much?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, that's good. That's good.
How many ounces?
2 ounces.
Is that what goes in them?
Yep.
Is that what?
And then we're putting it in the box?
Put it in the box. Bada bing, bada boom.
All right, it is 8:59 p.m. So today marks officially a 12-hour day. We don't have very many of those, but obviously, like I've said so many times, it's event week, and you kind of just gotta put in the extra hours to get everything done. I'm really tired. I'm a little frustrated. I'm just being completely honest with some things, and yeah, I'll leave it at that. But now I am going to my grandparents' house. I am probably just going to go straight to bed, to be honest. I might eat a piece of pizza, but we have an 8 a.m. call time in the morning because we are cleaning out all of our water station stuff, and we're sanitizing it and getting it ready for water stations. I also have to... Okay, did I even bring my computer home? No, I don't think I did. Okay, I feel very not okay right now. But it's okay, so this is what nurses feel like after 12-hour shifts. I don't know how some of them do it 4 days in a row, but they do, and if they can do it, if this certain someone can work 4 days in a row, then I can definitely work 4 days in a row. Okay, I'm just rambling at this point, so I need to stop. Goodbye. Good morning, it is day 3, and I am very excited that it is day 3. Yesterday was a solid work day, but it ended in just not my favorite way. But today is a new day. We are starting positive. We are going to be kind of happy. I'm super excited today because I'm actually filming next week's vlog this afternoon, and we are going flying. So stay tuned for that next week. I'm going with my good friend Hannah. We're gonna fly to Salem and back. It'll just be a lot of fun to see kind of what she's doing and what she's learning and stuff like that. And then, yeah, today at work though, we are going to storage, which is for sure my favorite place to go. It's kind of cool to see all of the stuff that we have that just sits there for a year, and then we revive it and it just comes to life, and everything in there is super important for race day. So traffic is super bad. I am not exactly sure why. Oh my god. Okay, well, I'm gonna do something that I might regret. Okay, I don't regret that. That was a good decision. So we are getting all of the water station stuff and the pancake supplies. That's like the pancake dishes, the spatulas, the bowls, all of that crap. We have to get it and wash it because it hasn't been washed since last May. It's just been sitting in storage. So obviously like to be safe and sanitary, so that is first on the agenda. Then I am meeting with a group called CASA. They are one of our nonprofits, and they manage kind of the 5K volunteer aspect. And then after that, I'm meeting with someone at 1 about drones. He wants to fly a drone on our course and get some footage, which is great, but we kind of need to storyboard what he's looking to do and make sure that everything is all good there. And then we have a run of show call at 2, which basically means we just go over the entire race week, every line item with deliveries and picking up things and races, and it's a big production. I think the run of show is like 5 pages, so 5 pages with like 8 tabs. So hopefully we can get that done in an hour, and then I'm off to flying, and I probably will stay in Eugene tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see how the day goes. So have a good day, and hope you enjoy the last day 3 of 3. Hope you're enjoying this vlog. Don't really know, again, how the transitions are gonna look on this, but this is kind of what I'm going for, my flight attendant vibe, like take you every day of the trip, so we'll see. So I just finished work for the day. I am outside. It's so gorgeous. This is supposedly what the weather is supposed to be like next weekend for race day. So I'm really pumped about that. I'm actually going to film my next vlog right now, so this is my sign off. I hope that you have enjoyed getting to know a little bit about the Eugene Marathon and what that looks like. As you can see, it changes every day, and some days it's great, some days it's just like every other job. So yeah, race day is in 1 week from the day that you're probably going to watch this video, and you never know, it'll be a good time, and I'm looking forward to it. So hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, hit me up down below in the comments, because that is how you build a brand, I guess. And until then, see you later.